Several factors can trigger the E3 error in carrier systems. These include excessive or low refrigerant pressure, electrical faults, a malfunctioning compressor, dirty condenser coils, or faulty pressure sensors. Proper installation and maintenance are key to preventing these issues. Excessive or low refrigerant pressure often indicates leaks or overcharging, causing the system to shut down for safety. Electrical faults in the outdoor unit can trigger the E3 error, such as voltage irregularities or connection issues. A malfunctioning compressor can cause the E3 error by failing to regulate pressure properly. A dirty condenser coil restricts airflow, causing pressure imbalances and triggering the E3 error. A faulty pressure sensor provides incorrect readings, causing the system to activate the E3 safety shutdown. Proper installation and maintenance are key to preventing these issues. Neglecting maintenance, like cleaning coils, can reduce efficiency by up to 30% and lead to pressure imbalances. Before calling a technician, try these initial troubleshooting steps yourself. Start by checking your air filter and replace it if it's dirty, as clogged filters can significantly reduce system efficiency. Next, inspect the outdoor unit for any visible obstructions like leaves, debris, or ice buildup that could block airflow. Clear away any obstructions you find to restore proper airflow around the unit. Then ensure the disconnect switch, usually located near the outdoor unit, is in the on position. Finally, try resetting the system by turning it off at the thermostat for a few minutes, then turning it back on. If the E3 error persists after trying these steps, it's time to call a professional technician for further diagnosis. HVAC technicians use specialized tools to diagnose E3 errors. These include pressure gauges to check refrigerant levels, multimeters to test electrical components, and diagnostic software to read error codes and sensor data. Carrier systems now often integrate with the Carrier app and smart thermostats, offering AI-driven diagnostics. Firmware updates, like those in Carrier's 2025-2026 software suite, have reduced false positives significantly. When DIY troubleshooting doesn't resolve the E3 error, professional solutions and repairs become necessary. Depending on the root cause identified during diagnostics, technicians may perform several specific repairs to restore your carrier system's functionality. One common repair involves refrigerant management. Technicians may recharge the system with the proper refrigerant amount or perform evacuation and recharging to ensure optimal pressure levels for efficient operation. Electrical issues require careful attention to wiring and components. Professionals will inspect and repair or replace any faulty electrical connections, sensors, or control board elements that could be causing the E3 error. If the compressor or pressure sensor is malfunctioning, replacement is often necessary. These critical components are tested and swapped out with new parts to restore proper system function. Dirt and debris buildup on the condenser coil can trigger E3 errors. Professional cleaning removes these obstructions to improve heat exchange and prevent future issues. In some cases, a comprehensive leak test is performed to detect any refrigerant leaks. Once identified, these leaks are repaired to prevent loss of refrigerant and ensure system efficiency. For the best results and warranty protection, always choose a certified technician who uses authentic carrier replacement parts. This ensures proper installation and compatibility with your system. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing E3 errors. Schedule biannual professional checkups, including coil cleaning, refrigerant level checks, and electrical connection inspections. Homeowners can regularly rinse the outdoor unit's coil with a gentle stream of water, avoiding high pressure. Consider using a smart thermostat and the Carrier app to monitor system performance and receive early warnings of potential issues. Preventive maintenance can also save money, with experts estimating that 60% of E3 errors result from neglect. The HVAC industry is rapidly evolving with IoT-enabled systems that connect devices for smarter operation. These connected systems allow for seamless integration of heating, cooling, and ventilation components, creating a comprehensive smart ecosystem that monitors environmental conditions continuously. Carrier's Connect platform leverages machine learning algorithms to analyze historical data and sensor readings, identifying potential E3 error conditions days or weeks in advance. Homeowners and technicians can now monitor HVAC performance remotely through intuitive apps that display real-time graphs, alerts, and system parameters, making maintenance more convenient and efficient. The transition to refrigerants like R32 addresses environmental concerns and compatibility issues with aging systems, potentially decreasing the frequency of pressure-related E3 errors. Looking ahead to 2030, artificial intelligence will transform E3 error handling, with systems autonomously detecting and resolving issues, dramatically cutting down on service calls and associated expenses. Let's examine real-world case studies of carrier E3 errors to understand how they manifest and get resolved in different scenarios. In a 2025 Florida case, a Carrier Infinity 24 air conditioning unit displayed an E3 error caused by clogged condenser coils covered in pollen buildup. The homeowner utilized the Carrier app's guided troubleshooting feature, which accurately diagnosed the issue and suggested professional coil cleaning. The resolution involved thorough cleaning of the coils and a refrigerant top-up, successfully preventing the need for a costly $1,200 compressor replacement. This highlights how app-based diagnostics are now standard in 70% of Carrier models. A 2024 incident in a New York office building involved a Carrier 38AUZB rooftop unit that triggered an E3 error due to a faulty pressure sensor. Technicians replaced the sensor and recalibrated the system to resolve the immediate issue. However, a subsequent audit uncovered an underlying refrigerant leak caused by improper installation. This case prompted Carrier to implement enhanced training programs for technicians, resulting in a 15% reduction in similar errors across commercial installations. Following hurricanes in the Gulf Coast region between 2023 and 2026, E3 error codes surged as debris clogged outdoor units. A comprehensive 2025 Carrier study analyzing 500 affected units revealed that 40% of these errors were successfully resolved through remote resets via the Carrier app or smart thermostats. This underscores the importance of resilient system designs and the growing effectiveness of remote diagnostic technologies in handling widespread environmental challenges. These real-world examples clearly demonstrate the increasing role of technology in diagnosing and resolving Carrier E3 errors. Whether through app-guided troubleshooting, remote resets, or predictive analytics, modern tools are enhancing efficiency, reducing repair costs, and preventing more serious system failures.